Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel MJ Manjari. If you are studying in classes 6 to 12 and have a passion for cooking and creativity, then this opportunity is for you. Now let's see in detail. So this is the official circular released by CBSE on 1st July with the subject CBSE Young India Culinary Champion YICC 26-27. Here CBSE is going to conduct a culinary championship for students of classes 6 to 12, and its main aim is equipping learner with essential hospitality and culinary competency. These are the main objective of this competition: to give them a practical cooking experience, to improve nutritional literacy, food sustainability, food hygiene and food innovation like this. And the expected outcome is skill development, industry exposure, career awareness and healthy lifestyle. This competition will be conducted into two categories. Category 1 is non-fire cooking for students of classes 6 to 8, and category 2 is fire cooking for students of classes 9 to 12. This competition will be conducted into three labels. First label will be school label, where school need to conduct competition within the school and select the best student. Then second will be regional label, and third will be national level competition. Label 1, as school will organize an in-house cooking competition and teacher will assess student as per guideline given by CBSE, and two winner will be selected for each category. So category 1 6 to 8, 2 student, and category 2 which is 9 to 12, again 2 students. So totally 4 students from each school will be selected for regional label. This will be selected by your school. Then regional label, it will be conducted at different locations. Like here locations they have already given. These are the 4 locations: Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai. This is as per your CBSE regional office. If your CBSE regional office is in Pune, your regional competition will be conducted in Mumbai. If your regional office in Gurugram, CBSE regional office, then it will be conducted in Delhi. If your regional office is Patna, then it will be conducted at Kolkata. For Vijayawada, it will be conducted. So you can check which regional office your school belong, and that will be the center for regional competition. Next, national level competition will be conducted and it will be held in Chandigarh. So Chandigarh will be the national level. All the top team of each region will compete at Chandigarh. Now, student will be given skill workshop before regional as well as national level. So all the 4 students of your school will be given skill workshops, and it will be conducted by a professional chef on nutritional and healthy cooking, kitchen hygiene, knife and tool safety, fire safety only for students of 9 to 12, then plating and presentation, food sustainability, then videography and photography, cooking process and final presentation and school label will be recorded through pictures and videography. This ensure transparency and enable remote evaluation if required. Then timeline. School level competition will be conducted between July and August. Regional level will be conducted between September to October at 4 venues: Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai. And national will be conducted in November to December, and it will be conducted in Chandigarh. So this is the Google form. I have added this Google form in the description as well as in the comment section of this video. Last day for registration of school is 1st August, and they can organize before school level competition before 15th August. And this is the introductory video for YICC, and you can get the detailed slide presentation here, and this is the FAQ. If you have any question, you can check out this FAQ. So again here annexure 1, which is the guideline for school level competition. School should open it to all students based upon the category classes. so that every student should be participating in a school level and best two will be selected from each category. And nomination form must contain no objection certificate or consent form duly signed by parents or guardians. So school need to take nomination form from the student which include no objection certificate as well as consent form. Then a specific guideline for category 1 like 6 to 8, they need to prepare only one dish out of this: salad, sandwich, canapé. Remember, fire cooking is not allowed for this cooking. For this category, they can include ingredient like bread, vegetable, fruit, dairy product and savory milk. Participant must prepare 2 portions of the same dish because 2 judges will be there, one for display, 1 plate for judging. Shared facility will be your work table and sink, and competition timing is 60 minutes, which include preparation as well as presentation. So 1 hour time duration is given. Next, for category 9 to 12, they need to prepare 1 main course dish only. They can be modern Western cuisine or Asian or Indian. Use of non-veg food item is strictly prohibited. You need to have only vegetarian main course only. And here also participant must prepare 2 portions, 1 for display and 1 for judging. And facility will be given like burner, work table, sink and cooking unit or oven. And competition will be given 90 minutes of time duration, which include preparation as well as presentation. So for 6 to 8 they had only 1 hour. For 9 to 12, because it's fire cooking, so it is 1.5 hours. Then assessment rubric also CBSE has provided, like taste, flavor and aroma 30 marks, texture 30 marks, hygiene and food safety 10, nutrition and ingredient choice 10, creativity and authenticity 10 marks, workplace organization and waste control 10 marks. So totally judgment will be done out of 100 marks. This is common for both the category 1 as well as category 2. Then CBSE has also issued regional level guideline. If your school participate in regional level, so this will be there. Like participant can compete in team of 2 students in 1 team, and it's open to candidate of winner only. Winner only will be going to the regional office. So 2 students for each category. So totally 4 students from both the category. And same guideline there also you will be making the student will be making that same for 6 to 8 no fire cooking, as well as for 9 to 12 which is cooking. Complete same duration, everything is same. Even assessment criteria is also same for regional level competition. And this one is national level, which is final, which is held in Chandigarh. Here also that same guideline, means same thing will be in all the 3 level, school, regional as well as national level. Here they are going to make 3 course menu, and if you see here, it was only must prepare any 1 dish and a cold dessert also. For national level 6 to 8 will be preparing 2 things, that 1 dish and 1 cold dessert is also. Whereas for 9 to 12 they need to prepare 3 main course menu, 1 starter, 1 main course and 1 dessert, and they will be getting 120 minutes time duration. And assessment is same, that 100 criteria. Then SOP is also CBSE has provided what to do and what not to do, and description is will be like this: salad, sandwich, canapé. So student, CBSE Young India Culinary Championship 26-27 is much more than cooking competition. It's a national platform where students can develop life skill, gain industry exposure, explore exciting careers and represent their school at the highest level. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like the video, hype the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more updates. We'll see you in another video with some more interesting information for you. Till then, goodbye, keep learning.